Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be checking out the DJI Mic Mini. I got this for, I believe it was like $130 off of Amazon. Going to be stepping up my YouTube game, and I thought, well, a good way to do that is with a microphone. So here we have some features. You can see 10-hour battery, 2-level noise canceling, which is kind of nice. Automatic limiting, yep, that's also nice. A bunch of nice features made for iPhone, which is wonderful. You can see what's in the box. Your receiver, your transmitter, charging dock, carrying pouch, magnet. Yeah, so let's see what's actually, how they pack it. Apologize if you hear my stomach gurgling. There. So what's this? Looks like we got a sticker pack of sorts. Nice DJI sticker, it's kind of cool. I don't know why it's some Chinese on there, or maybe Japanese, I'm not sure. Quick start guide, must be like some warranty paper probably. Safety guidelines, yeah, all stuff that you don't need to worry about. So I guess here's the carrying pouch, that's kind of cool. It's nice to have this for camera gear or if you're traveling somewhere. Put that over there. Nice little DJI tag on the little tag, that's kind of cool. Opening it up here. DJI always has nice products. I always know how to pack them nicely. So I'm going to be learning about this with you guys because I honestly don't know a whole lot about this thing. So we will see. Silica gel. Don't eat it. I don't know why they always have to include those. I guess people are dumb enough to eat them, but or children, I guess. That's also part of it. The quality of this bag feels really, really nice. Makes sense, I guess, for the price. You can see there's nothing else in there. The little side pockets for all your devices, charging cable, I believe, and looks like audio cable. Let me get into it. This bag is. There we go. Yeah, okay, so we got aux cable and a charging cable with 2 ports, USB-C. Over there. Let's see what else we got. So those are the fuzzies for the mic. I'm gonna leave this in the package. I'm gonna install them later. What else we have here? This, I believe, is the adapter to go into the iPhone. So you can see USB-C, no lightning connector. So if you do have an older iPhone, I believe there's a separate connector you have to purchase. Let's see what this guy is. This looks like it's the little charging dock. That's exactly what that is. You can see USB there, USB-C. So here's the little microphone. It is very small. It's very light, which will be nice. Don't actually feel all the weight on your shirt. Feels like it's a very high quality plastic. Looks very nice as well. It's obviously your microphone, charging port. So this is a little lighter, same quality of plastic. It feels kind of cheap. But very nice. So I'm assuming you're going to clip this guy and do here somehow. Just like that. And you'll be plugging it into your iPhone and testing it out. So yeah, that's everything you get with this DJI Mic Mini. very excited to try this thing out. Hopefully this elevates my YouTube production a bit as I start to get into it a little bit more. It's a very nice package. Excited to try it out. And pay attention, I'm going to do a little audio test with this later on today or tomorrow. So check that out if you are curious. And yeah, thank you for watching. Alright, so I'm doing an audio test. I've got it on +6. I believe that's the gain, I'm not too sure. It's my dog Milo. Hi baby. So, got my noisy air conditioner here. Walk around a bit. Come outside here, gonna talk. See if you can hear my roommate at all. Testing out the microphone, so.
Oh, testing.
It's pretty sick.
Oh, is that what you just got?
Yeah. Working on the wing on the Miata.
Working on the wing.